Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Kwik Trip car wash card. So let's get started right away. First of all, you will need to purchase your car wash card from Kwik Trip. Go ahead and open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in kwiktrip.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the Kwik Trip website, from which scroll down and click on car wash and gift cards. You will now see the shop now option, from which you can click on the button and you will see the car wash gift card option. Click on select options and now you will see the options that you can set for your card. Click on the wash type option and choose your desired wash. You can then choose the number of washes per card and then click on the add to cart option. Once you proceed with purchasing your card, you will receive your card within the standard delivery date. You can then click on the car wash location option and you will see the locations within which you can use this service. When you reach the location, you can simply enter the credentials of the card that you applied for and check your nearest location within which you can use this card. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use your car wash card on Kwik Trip. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.